course.
The crushed rock base is almost being done. Next week,
thank you very much, Excellency. Come to visit 062 again. As you see, we already finished the building course till the ending point of the project. The project remaining only few for shoulder and drainage and keeps. This is small works. We will finish very soon. Thank you very much for your support for the project.
I'm very impressed. Don't worry.
Thank you.
You keep to your west. So before the end of the month, you will have finished marking.
Yes, marking maybe 2 or 3 days we will finish all the marking.
No, allow me here.